Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be taking you through the Canaan website. So first click Canaan information. We are located in the northwest area of Beijing, outside the 5th Ring Road in the Silicon Valley Bright City. We are roughly 55 to 90 minutes from the airport, depending on traffic. Company address in English. You can arrange a visit to our office by emailing. Now the FAQ. What is the meaning of Avalon Miner 7xxmm firmware version? What are the specifications for Avalon Miner 741? What is a basic mining setup and what do I need? Basic mining setup. Where are your legal documents like warranty, disclaimer, return policy, and more? I'm going to end the video right here today. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and comment down below. Don't forget to go to the Where's Coins website to find more information about Bitcoin. Have a nice day.